Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your footage and the background you want to use. Make sure the green screen is evenly lit. Once done, select the clip and open the effects panel, then add the Chroma key effect. Use the eyedropper to pick the exact color. This gives you a reliable starting point, and set a low tolerance to avoid removing hair or shadows. Now scrub a few seconds to confirm the selected color is being targeted before moving on to refinement. Next, you refine the key so the background blends cleanly. Increase tolerance gradually while watching edges. Then apply feather to soften transitions and use spill suppression to remove green cast on skin or hair. If edges look choppy, adjust matte contrast and gamma to tighten the silhouette and use clipping to remove tiny artifacts. For stubborn areas, add a simple mask or animate a mask path. This lets you protect fine details like hair while maintaining a clean composite. Finally, position your background layer beneath the keyed clip and tweak scale or perspective so elements align. Make sure you color grade both layers together. Matching exposure and color temperature sells the composite. Render a 5-10 second preview at full resolution to inspect motion blur and any remaining spill. If edges jitter or green fringing returns, relight the original shoot if possible. Reduce tolerance and increase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.